YouTube, welcome to episode 29 of the Side Hustle of the Day show. We are almost at the end of the first month of this show, this project, this whatever this is. And I appreciate you guys listening. One thing I can say for sure is not enough of you that watch or subscribe. So make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if you like the content. Hit the like button and that bell notification, even though I upload daily. So even if you didn't hit it, you'd know it's here every day. But go ahead and do it anyway. So today we're talking about affiliate marketing. This is one of those topics that I've talked about in the past, or I've kind of vaguely mentioned that gets talked about all the time. It's everywhere. If you've looked at similar side hustle type videos or examples, or even these gurus, they'll all inevitably talk about affiliate marketing. And I'm no different, honestly, because it's a really good side hustle. I can't say don't do it. I can't say shy away from it for any reason. If you can find the right thing that you like to talk about it, write about it, podcast about it, do interviews about it, and then drive people to said products or services, especially if you can find one that is reoccurring. What that means is that if you can find one, like, for example, these books, the links down below are affiliate links, but I think it's like a few cents or maybe $1. Just like most things on Amazon, I haven't done any kind of product reviews, which maybe month two or just future episodes will entail me doing some of those kind of things on the channel for side hustlers and things that make your side hustles a little bit easier. But the main thing with this is that the ClickFunnels software, maybe like the Halo, I guess would call it, product of the whole ClickFunnels universe or Russell Brunson universe, is that offers a reoccurring service. So if you were to go sign up for ClickFunnels and through somebody's affiliate link, which I actually have one down below as well, I always talk about it because it's the best platform. That's where my landing page for sidehustleToday.com is. Go sign up there with your email. They offer a 40% recurring revenue affiliate payout. So basically, if you sign up through somebody's affiliate link, you sign up for this, you do your 2-week trial. The 2-week trial is, I mean, it's there and nobody gets paid for that. It's not like some are actually. You can go and try things out, and some companies will pay you just for getting somebody to go and try out their product or their service. Probably not a product, but a service for sure. And what ClickFunnels does is they pay you 40% payout every month, reoccurring until that person basically cancels their plan. So whatever plan they choose, you would get 40% of that every single month for as long as they pay for it. So as long as they're paying for their service, you're getting a commission based off of that plan. Phenomenal. And now, if you're new to this or new to that concept, and now if you go looking for it and you're on YouTube all the time, or whatever amount of time, it's going to start suggesting all kinds of affiliate type of videos. You'll be blown away at some of the things some of these people are doing. And it's not like multi-level marketing where you're going and you're trying to get somebody to sell the thing that you're selling so that you can get paid because they're under you, and then do the whole pyramid thing. It's just one of those, if you like it, especially if you're using it, like if you genuinely like the product, that's the only thing I would ever say to really promote anyway. But if you like the service, like ClickFunnels is a SaaS, a software as a service type company, and I love it and I use it and I learn a lot from them, their creator, their books, I would say promote it and then get a recurring revenue payout, a commission if you can. Go out there and look for anything else, email autoresponders, text chat bots or messenger bots, or Amazon itself. Like go find products on there, talk about them, and get affiliate payouts from those. But there's endless amount of it. There's a lot of resources. Just Google best affiliate programs, or Google recurring affiliate payouts, and see what, maybe it might actually be a service you already use and didn't know that they offered one. Yeah, that's kind of it for today. I don't know how long I ranted on this, but do it. There's so many people making a ton of money through affiliate marketing, even if their channel's tiny, even if their email list is small, even if their Facebook page doesn't have a lot of followers, or if their Instagram page doesn't have a lot of followers, you can still make a substantial amount of money, anywhere from a few dollars to hundreds of thousands of tens of thousands of dollars, just from people trying out and using products and services that you recommend. So if you're into that kind of thing, or if maybe you already write about it, do a podcast about it as well. Or if you do both of those, add a YouTube channel and add as much content around the things that you use and you love talking about and believe in, and you'll succeed eventually. It might take a while, but it'll happen for you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe on the video, and I'll be back tomorrow. It's 4 p.m. I usually record these at 8 a.m. fresh out of bed, take the kids to school, get some coffee, and I'm like, let's start the day. But it's the end of the day. It's been a long day. I'm already kind of tired. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow.